Sorry, I got fired, guys. I gotta go home.
You gotta stay until the end of your shift.
Oh.
Thank you.
Okay, this get paid now. I know. You know, I try to do a work job if I could.
Not the number that comes back. Yeah. Welcome aboard, everybody. Welcome aboard. Oh. Yeah, there you go. Perfect, perfect. Yeah, this is the splash zone. I tend to spit high in the air for me and wave goodbye to the beautiful people on the dock. Don't be rude. Wave goodbye to the ugly ones. Goodbye, skippers. You're never going to see them again. Okay, repeat after me. I hope we will return. Yeah, I'm supposed to tell jokes, but that's not one of them. Yeah. Hi, everybody. My name is Skipper Laura. We're on the 10-month tour of the Jungle Cruise, where we are world famous around the world for being world famous. Now, who has been here before? Yeah, welcome back, welcome back. I think we really missed you. Yeah, well, it looks like we've been in the Amazon. That's where we're at now. And look, there's some beautiful big butterflies. Look at those bad boys. Now get this, their wingspans, they range from 12 inches to a whopping 1 whole foot. Yeah, they're rulers of the jungle, actually. I thought they were closer to a monarchy, but then when I read in my journal, it said it was an urban moth. So go figure. Yeah. Who has never been here before? Never, ever. Welcome, my friends. Oh, you're very brave, very brave. I'm jumping overboard, okay? You can take over, okay? Yeah, you can do it. Well, this is inspiration balls. Can I get an inspirational? Ooh. How about an I love that. Well, we are now kicking around the corner under the Congo River. And let's do the conga on the Congo. Join me. Here we go. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Hey, that's right. I'm not only your skipper, I'm also your party planner. I created this beautiful surprise. Nobody showed up. I wonder where they went. Oh, look, they have grilled piranha. It's the best bite in the whole jungle. It's a little nippy, but it's really good. Yeah. Oh, that's right. That's mine. Full bite. He's a constrictor. He'll literally crush you to death. So don't get all wrapped up in that, okay? Hey, I am talking. These are my in-laws. What do you think? Yeah, I hope you're not wearing yellow because they find that appealing. If you love banana jokes, I got a whole bunch for you. Oh, but look what they did to my teeth. They got it to turn over. Yeah, I bet they used a monkey wrench or something. Well, you know, we're now on the Nile River, and it is the longest river in the world. And it goes on for miles and miles and miles. If you don't believe me, you gotta be in the Nile. Oh my gosh, you're poets! How do I know? You're like psychic. I love that. That is my good friend, the African elephant. Now, he wants me to tell you that he's got the world's best memory. I wish I had a good memory like that. Oh well. Well, right behind us is our boulder attraction. A lot of people take it for granted. It's called the Rock. It's kind of a sentimental old thing, and you know, don't worry about getting it because it's kind of igneous. Oh, look at this. Now, we've already made it to the African belt, which really does hold up the African pants, but you know, I like to call it the grassland communication system because it's where we get all of our news from. Anarchist zebras. Oh, that's the management team. They gotta have everything in black and white. Hey, you guys, get out of the office, would ya? Yeah, quit lying around.
Get out of the way, Doc.
Oh no! Hey, what happened? Well, this is Skipper Felix. He's the low man on the totem pole, and he has lost his boat. Can we help him? No, that's a lot of paperwork. I can't do anything without a crayon anyway. Whatever, I know. Everybody say hyena. Yeah, hyena. Wouldn't want to be yeah. Oh, look who showed up today. It's Ginger and Frosty, my favorite twins. Now, you know, they just had a birthday party, and I got them a wonderful present. You want to know what it was? It was a crock pot. Yeah, Ginger even won the chili cook-off. I couldn't even believe it. We're right behind the Just Beautiful, the ever-loving, the eternal, Mr. Weister Paul. And after my good friend and mentor, Dr. Albert Paul. Now can I get a yeehaw for Albert Paul? That's right, you know, when he's training, he said, Skipper Laura, there's enough water that can go home in a single day a person can't drink it in a lifetime. And I said, you know, I find that really hard to swallow. Yeah, but a lot of people just really want to know how I got here. I took the fancy crash course. The hardest part about it was the brand. But I came here to the river to do one thing, and one thing only, that is to tame the wild river horse. Now, they're a most dangerous, devilish creature, my friend. They will charge the boats, but you guys don't have anything to worry about because I've already lost 3 boats this week, and we only take cash. Hey, not even a token. No, I don't want your token of affection. Get out of here. Oh, don't pay any attention to these guys. They think you're a swinging hot country man. Look, they got a microphone. Hey, you guys, did you go to the farmer's market? Yeah, you did to catch a beak. Look at you. Yeah, you're not so radish. Hey, you got a leak in your boat. Yeah, 2 get mango or something. Oh, look, there's a singer. That is a net. Yeah, a lot of people think she's a real catch. But I can't believe the butterflies around here are not what they used to be. Caterpillars. They're stupid on marking for error. It's like nothing bugs them. I don't get it. Well, been here before. And if you've never been here before, too late. Get nothing to ever love it. There is one in the world. Come out, shut up, water! Friends, that is chemistry. Now, did I tell you the one about the oxygen and the potassium? Yeah, it's only okay. It's not worth it. But whatever you do, don't trust the atoms. They make up everything. Well, we are right here on the Mekong River, deep in the heart of Cambodia. And now, this river was named after King Kong, and he built this beautiful town for his beautiful bride, Shirley May.
King Kong actually built this?
Yeah, Shirley's simple. Oh, she needs a root canal. Watch your monkey business. Hey, what do you think you're doing over here? I just saved y'all from sheer destruction. You know that. You're welcome. Okay, everybody stay seated on your back pockets. Okay, it's gonna be okay. Okay, so who loves the color green? Anybody love the color green? Yeah, me too. It's my favorite color. No, I thought I'd point out my very favorite plants while we're here. Like, oh, that one right up there. That is your hibiscus. Makes really, really good tea. Oh, and that little one down there, that is your molluscus. Tea is not very good. Oh, and this one up here with the bark on it, that one right there, that's your dog hibiscus. I give those to the elephants. Wait, what is this lost and found? Oh, you can't shop. Oh, you guys, we gotta stop. Look at this. Oh, a lot of monkey business going on here. Oh, look, these two are having a boxing match. Kind of free throw. Oh, very cute. Well, we're gonna leave that shop to that little elephant. That's Little Red. Everybody say hi, Little Red. Hello, Red. Love you. You know, if I don't call her out, she gets all depressed and she turns a little blue. I am kind of jaded for her, but orange and glad she's not the phone with us. Being a terrible mess. But she lives right there on that little island. She thinks she's marooned. Those are my most colorful jokes, friends. That's as good as it gets. Thanks for laughing. I worked really hard on those. I know she's got a heart of gold, doesn't she? Well, you guys, it's like we've become a family. You guys, you know, like, did you guys like the butterflies? Yeah. Did you like the crocodiles? Yeah? Okay. Oh, I bet you guys really love going over the falls. Won't you have laughs? Oh, no. Check your phones. Everybody, oh, yeah. You know, definitely, we went over the falls. You guys are all hypnotized because you look at me idle, but I do want to remind you, before we get to the dock, please remain seated with your arms, hands, feet, and legs inside the boat at all times.